Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printers for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Voxelab Aquila C2 3D Printer. The Voxelab Aquila C2 3D printer is a reliable and user-friendly printer designed for precise and hassle-free 3D printing. This model features an all-metal frame, a large build size of 220x220x250mm, a glass printing plate, a 100 heating bed, and resume printing capability. The all-metal frame of the Voxelab Aquila C2 provides stability and durability, ensuring consistent printing results even during long printing sessions. This sturdy construction minimizes vibrations and ensures accurate and reliable prints with a large build size of 220x220x250mm. The Voxelab C2 offers ample space for printing medium-sized objects or multiple small-sized objects in a print session. This versatility allows for a wider range of printing possibilities. Number 2. Anycubic Mear S 3D Printer. The Anycubic Mear S 3D printer is a powerful and versatile printer designed for high-precision 3D printing. This model features a large build size, TPU compatibility, a high-precision touch screen, and upgraded features. With its large build size, the Anycubic Mear S offers ample space for printing medium to large-sized objects or multiple smaller objects in a single print session. This allows for greater flexibility and opens up possibilities for a wide range of projects. The compatibility with TPU filament on the Mear S enables users to print flexible and elastic objects. TPU is known for its durability and elasticity, making it suitable for functional prototypes, wearable accessories, and other flexible parts. The high-precision touch screen of the Mear S makes it easy to navigate through the printer's settings and options. This user-friendly interface enhances the overall user experience and provides intuitive control over the printing process. Number 3. Geeetech A10M 3D Printer. The Geeetech A10M 3D printer is a robust and versatile printer designed to deliver high-quality 3D prints. This model features a double extruder, a large build size of 220x220x260mm, a strong structure, and break-resuming capability. The double extruder on the Geeetech A10M allows for multicolor and multimaterial printing. This feature enables users to create colorful and intricate prints by seamlessly transitioning between different filaments during the printing process. With a large build size of 220x220x260mm, the Geeetech A10M offers a generous printing area, allowing users to create both small and medium-sized objects in a single print. This flexibility provides ample room for creativity and larger-scale projects. Number 4. FLSUN Super Racer SR 3D Printer. The FLSUN Super Racer SR 3D Printer is a high-speed and feature-rich printer designed to deliver fast and efficient 3D printing. This model features a high-speed printing capability of up to 200mm/s, pre-assembly, auto-leveling, a touch screen interface, and a spacious printing size of 260x260x330mm. One of the standout features of the FLSUN Super Racer SR is its high-speed printing capability. With speeds of up to 200mm/s, this printer can complete prints in significantly less time compared to traditional printers. This makes it an ideal choice for users who require quick and efficient printing results. The pre-assembly of the Super Racer SR ensures that users can start printing right out of the box with minimal setup required. This saves time and allows users to focus more on their creative projects. Number 5. MINGDA Magician 3D Printer. The MINGDA Magician 3D printer is a professional printer designed for high-quality user-friendly 3D printing. This model features one-touch automatic leveling, fast assembly, large print size of x230x260mm, ultra-quiet printing. The one-touch intelligent automatic leveling feature the MINGDA Mag simplifies the leveling process by automatically adjusting the bed's position. The print bed is properly calibrated for optimal printing conditions, leading to improved print quality and accuracy. The fast assembly design of the Magician allows users to quickly set up the printer and start printing in no time. This feature reduces the time spent on preparation and allows users to focus more on their printing projects.